In today's video, I will be answering the questions afraid to make mistake, then what should you do? Before diving into the video, if you are new on my channel, then please like, share and subscribe for more language learning videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. It's normal to feel nervous about speaking English, but practice can help you a lot. Start by speaking with friends or family who are supportive. You can also join English clubs or find language exchange partners online. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's part of the learning process. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. And remember, everyone starts somewhere. So be patient with yourself. Here's how it works. Every day, set aside just 10 to 15 minutes to have a conversation in English. It could be with a friend, a family member, or even just talking to yourself in front of the mirror. The key is consistency. By practicing every day, you will gradually become more comfortable and confident speaking English. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. In fact, making mistake is a crucial part of the learning process. Don't let fear hold you back from improving your English skills. Here are some additional tips to help you succeed. Set realistic goal. Start with a small achievable goals and gradually increase the difficulties as you progress. Use resources. Take advantage of online language learning platforms, language exchange groups, or even English speaking friends to practice with. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time, so don't get discouraged. If progress feels slow, keep at it and you will get there. So, if you are afraid to speak English, remember to take it one step at a time. Challenge yourself with daily conversation, embrace your mistakes, and celebrate your progress along the way.